Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and approved Godzilla's Pizza Palace. I'm here to talk to you to some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location, some people have somewhat of a negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while. But I want to reassure you that Godzilla Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all safety. They spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility. They even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect the predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new systems without its kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week, but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift, so hey, lucky you, right? He expressed concerns that certain kaiju seemed to move around at night and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant is no doubt to be a very safe place. So while engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the animatronic kaijus were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, or in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the price counter and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the price counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about the robot seeing you as an endoskeleton without his costume on and wanting to stuff you into the suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Godzilla head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close, but hey, you have a light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Godzilla head if you need to, keep the music box wound up, piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.